Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you are new here, hello and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Before I get into today's video, I just wanted to update you guys with my cast. So if you watched my previous video, I talked about how I broke my wrist and I recently got my cast off and now I have the soft cast on, which I don't need to wear all of the time. I wear it more so when I'm like doing things. I can make a whole other video if you guys are interested on like my post-cast experience. But for this video, I wanted to do a little unboxing because TILLYS actually sent me a big old box of goodies and I wanted to share with you guys, just go more into depth with some of the pieces and then try them on camera as well. So I haven't tried any of these pieces on. I have shared them on my Instagram because I was really excited the day the box came in, and so if you follow me on Instagram you might have seen the pieces already. But yeah, so if you guys are interested, then just go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay, so we'll get started with the first piece, which I already opened up, but already opened up and took out of the bag, but I haven't worn it yet. It's this really cool Adidas bucket hat. Obviously it's in the color black, which I love because clearly, if you don't know, this is super cute. I especially love it like during the summertime or if I'm just like going out running errands, haven't done my hair, throw this bad boy on and there you go. I also have, and like I said, I haven't opened these, so they're still like in their bags. But the next piece is this cute little vest, which I think is so adorable for the fall. I think I will wear it like with a little white t-shirt underneath. I normally do not gravitate toward a lot of color, but this green is kind of like a muted green. It's not like that bright neon green that everyone's been wearing. It's just not really my vibe, but I love this green, and the back is just like that. Then the next one, which I will forever love, are flannels. So let me open this up. Okay, so you guys, look at this color. Oh, it's a cropped flannel. I didn't even realize that. How cute. I think this is perfect for the time right now, transitioning between summer and fall, because it's like I don't know what to wear because in the mornings it could be kind of cold and then throughout the day the sun will start coming out and then it's a little bit warmer. So I feel like this is actually really perfect for this transitional season that we're in, and the two like patchwork here is just so cool. I don't have anything like it. This is actually a piece that I'm really looking forward to adding into my closet. We have a sweater, which we always love. Big oversized sweaters and crew necks. This one says, oh, it says California State. I thought it just said California on it. It's super big. It does say it's a size extra small, so oh my gosh, like this is amazing. I love how huge it is. I love the oversized fit. I like the color, Avi, neutral and a little bit of green. We're trying to, you know, venture out a little bit. They also sent over a pair of jeans. I definitely don't own a pair in this like shade and wash. I'm glad that I got a pair that I don't have already. And these ones are a size 24, high rise, straight leg. They're the RSQ brand. They do have rips at the knees and a little bit of like a frayed hem at the bottom. Again, I haven't tried these on, and typically for me it's kind of difficult to find jeans that fit me really well just because I've got like pretty wide hips but like a little itty bitty waist, and so a lot of the time like my jeans will gap at the back, and if you're a female, I know you know what I'm talking about. So we'll see how these will fit, but I'm really excited. And then lastly, I'm so stoked for these shoes because I've never owned a pair of these. I just never felt like they were me and like my style, but I always admired them like on other people, and so to just have them as my own now, I'm like, okay, maybe this could be me, you know? I got a pair of Stan Smiths, which like I said, I'm so excited because I've never owned a pair. I feel like they were just like not for me or my vibe, but I love them and I'm going to figure out how to wear these. I don't care, it doesn't matter, I'll wear them anyways. Okay, I'm just gonna try on some of these things like over what I'm wearing right now because it's fine. This is so cute. I'm obsessed. How adorable is this? Obviously I would take the black shirt underneath out, but you get the idea. It's so cute, right? Okay, I don't think my cast is gonna fit in this. Oh, it might. No, it won't. Let's just take it off. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Wow, this is really tight. Hold on. Okay. That's better. You guys, like, buttoning things and like unbuttoning things with my cast was so hard. Okay, there we go. Ow. Okay, hold on. How cute is this? I think I'd like it a little bit open versus like buttoning it up all the way. Giving me like chola vibes. Not the vibes. Not the vibes I want to go for. And then I want to leave this open. Like that. That's cute. I'm so obsessed with this. Like, you look at me like this, one pattern. You look this way, it's another pattern. And the back, so cool. I love this. Why didn't I just unbutton them? And I always try to like make sure I don't get my makeup on it. Let's see. Or mess up my hair. Ooh. Success? I think so. This is so soft and comfortable. See, I'll show you guys how long it is. Like, oh my god. I like it. Oh yeah. This, oh my god, I already know. I'm gonna live in this, dude. This is so comfortable. And I like that it's long, like lengthwise, but the sleeves are not like crazy long because sometimes I just like look crazy. This is actually like really nice, nicely fitted, and it's cute. I just threw the jeans on off camera, but I'm gonna show you guys. They actually fit really, really well. I'm surprised. The bottom, it's like right at my ankle, which is perfect. I actually really like these. The knees on the rips, the knees on the rips, the rips on the knees. I really like them, right? Cute. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which piece was your favorite. I will link everything down below as well if you're interested. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!